Hello class 9. Now we are going to discuss the next conditional statement, that is the if else if statement. Already we have finished the if statement, if and only if statement, if else statement, and this is the fourth one, the if else if statement. Okay, so what is the if else if statement? It is a logical situation in which more than two actions are to be performed depending upon the conditions. See, more than two actions or many actions can be performed depending upon the conditions with a keyword else if. We check the condition with a keyword else if. When condition 1 is true, then it performs statement 1. In case condition 1 is false, the control enters else if part. Control enters the else if part and checks condition 2. Okay. If it is true, the control executes statement 2. Otherwise, it executes statement 3. So like this, we can have many else if condition. See the syntax. If condition 1 is true, then statement 1 is executed and other conditions will not be checked or will be false. So if condition 1 is true, statement 1 is executed. Else if condition 2 is true, if first one is false, then else if condition 2 is true, then statement 2 is executed. Else if condition 3 is true, then statement 3 is executed. And if above all the conditions are false, then only else part will be executed. Okay, so this is the if else if statement. What statement? This is the if else if statement. Now see the example. See the example program. Public class example 3. Public static void main string args. Scanner in equal to new scanner system dot in. System out println enter the first number. Int a equal to in dot next in. So we have entered the first number. Again system out println enter the second number. Int b equal to in dot next int. Now check if a is greater than b. If the value of a is greater than b, then it will print the a is bigger. That means the number a is bigger. Else if it will check whether the b is greater than a or not. If b is greater than a, then print b is bigger. If both the above conditions are false, then else part will execute and it will print both the numbers are equal. Now let us see this program in BlueJ. Open BlueJ. Open the program. This is the same program already typed. Public class example 3, inputting the first number, enter the second number, check if a greater than b, then print a is bigger. Else if b greater than a, then print b is bigger. Else both the numbers are equal. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. So it asks enter the first number. Suppose first number is 99. Press enter. Second number. Suppose second number is 77. Now what is the output? Enter two number. The output is 99. What is output? Output is 99. So see, 99 is bigger. Alright. Once again run the program. Right click. Void main. OK. Enter the first number. Suppose first number is 11. Enter the second number. Suppose second number is 55. What is the output? 55 is bigger. Okay. Once again see. This time give both the numbers equal, same only. Enter the first number. Suppose 66. Enter the second number 66. Output comes both the numbers are equal. What output came? Both the numbers are equal. Alright. So this was if else if statement. Now the next statement is the nested if statement. Our next statement is nested if statement. What is nested if? Nested if statement is a statement where an if statement is placed within another if statement. That means a if statement contained within another if statement is called the nested if. If condition 1 is checked, so see from here till here it is a block. If condition 1 is true, then in this first block will be executed. Okay, so in this block what is there, again the condition is, again condition 2 is checked. If condition 2 is true, then statement 1 is executed, else statement 2 is executed. Now if this condition is false, if condition 1 is false, then else part will execute, in the else part will be executed, and in the else part again inside it is asking if condition 3 is true, then statement 3 is executed, otherwise statement 4 is executed. So you can see if a statement is placed within another if statement. Such type of programmings are called nested if statement. Now let us see a program example. We have entered the 3 numbers and printing the biggest number using the nested if statement. System out println, enter the first number, int a equal to int dot next int. System out println, enter the second number, int b equal to int dot next int. System out println, enter the third number, int c equal to int dot next int. Now see here we are checking if a is greater than b. Then in the first block, if again check if a is greater than c. If a is greater than b, then only its first part will be executed. And here inside it is checking if a is greater than c. If a is greater than b and c both, so what will be output? A is biggest number. Else if a is not greater than c, so it is already checked here that a is greater than b. So in the else part, what will be printed? System out println c is the biggest number, because b is not greater than a. Okay, a is greater than b. If a is not greater than c, then else it will print c is biggest number. Else if a is not greater than b, then else part will be executed. If a is not greater than b, then else part. In the else part inside it is checking if the b is greater than c, then print b is biggest number, else print c is the biggest number. Okay, that means if a is not greater than b, then check if b is greater than c. Now let us see the same program in BlueJ. Open the program. Same program. Enter the first number, enter the second number, enter the third number. If a greater than b, and again if a is greater than c also, then print a is biggest number, and already have checked that b is not bigger than a, so else print c is biggest number. If a is not greater than b, then else part check if b is greater than c, then print b is the biggest number, else print c is the biggest number. Now compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. Enter the first number. Suppose first number is 66. Enter the second number. Suppose 99. Enter the third number. Suppose 44. What is output? 99 is biggest number. Out of 66, 99, 44. Again get the output. Void main. Enter the first number. Suppose first number 123. Enter the second number 99. Enter the third number 45. So 123 is the biggest number. Once again, this time let us print the c. Void main. Okay. Enter the first number 11. Enter the second number 22. Enter the third number 55. 55 is the biggest number. So in all the condition, biggest number is printed. Okay. Check the output. Now the next statement is the system.exit this 0 function. System.exit 0 function. This function is used to terminate the execution in the middle of the program. In the middle of the program, if you want to terminate and come out of the program. Want to stop the program, then system.exit function is used. Inside the bracket is the 0, not the O. What is syntax? System.exit 0. Now suppose we want to write a program to enter a number, okay, and print square and cube. Square means power 2, cube power 3. So what we'll do, so first we'll check if the number is not negative. If the number is negative, then it will print it is a negative number. The program terminates and system.exit will throw it out of the program. It will terminate the program, come out of the program, and following statements will not be executed. Understood? And if n is not less than 0, it is greater than 0, then this part will be executed. Out of the if block, it will calculate square n into n, cube n into n into n, print the square, print the cube. Now let us see this program. Open, system exit, same program, compile, no syntax error, close, right click, void main, okay. Enter a number. Suppose I have pressed 8. You see, it has printed the square of 8 and cube of 8. Now let us give a negative number and check the output. Okay. Suppose -5. Now see what is printed. It printed that enter number -5. It is a negative number and the program terminates, and it did not calculate the square and cube of the program. Alright, so in today's class we have learned 3 statements: the if-else if statement, nested if statement, and system exit function. Learn the definitions and practice. Thank you.